This is Esther.
And this is Kelly.
And we are the team member of Miss Jane.
Today I would like to show you around our OAT factory. Please follow us.
Yes, follow us. Hello, welcome to our new production workshop. And you can see that here, our colleague is making the color chart. And even though the color chart is for the sample bed, we use the 304 stainless steel as well. And behind us, you can see that there are two new machines here. The first one is the 3D wood grain machine.
Yes, and this is the 3D coating machines. It can produce the door panel with the wood grain. The wood grain is very light, natural wood grain. Maybe some of people will like this panel. And another, this is our new machines. This is the automatic coating machines. The door panel will coating automated by these machines.
And welcome to our factory workshop. And the most important thing to be attention is that no burning. Okay, so let's follow us to show you around the workshop. The first machine you can see that is the CNC cutting machine, and you can see there are pieces of the 304 stainless sheet here, and it's prepared to be cutting. So this visit, you can see that how a stainless steel sheet to be become the 304 stainless steel cabinet, and you can see on this side. You can see this side, there are many 304 stainless steel sheets.
And after at least a series of production, this stainless steel sheet will become a kitchen cabinet.
Yes, and this is our second machines. It's called laser cutting machines. And here, and this is our 304 stainless steel plant. We have take the stainless steel plant here and to our machines like this. And after taking the 304 plant here, and we will take on the laser cutting machines. By doing this laser cuttings, and the plant of the screw hole and the area you want to cut is very become the precise and accurate. You can see our laser machine is cutting here. And the stainless steel shapes will become the shapes you like. And this is our stainless steel shapes cuttings. You can see this size and the screw hole, and like this shapes, it becomes very clean. And you can left any dirty here and cannot have the burnt spots here. And every screw hole is very precise and accurate. It can help us to ensure our stainless steel plant quality. And now, this is our third machine.
Yes, the third machine coming is our grooving machine. And you can see that after the grooving, they are grooving the stainless steel sheet. You can see how they're working. And every angle and every dimension is very accurate because we have the advanced technology. So after a series of operations, you can see that not only we have one grooving machine, but also we have two grooving machines. So that is our capacity. Okay, and here behind us is the bending machine. And you can see that we have some finish here. So how the bending machine works is that it can bend the one-piece stainless steel like this angle. So all of our door panels and our carcass is made of one-piece stainless steel. And here, our colleague is working for the bending machine. We can produce over 200 pieces of modular cabinets in one day. So every month, we can provide over 2,000 sets of kitchen for our customers.
Yes, and this is our bending machine here, and we can bend any angle for the one piece of 304 plant. You can see our worker is assembling the machines, and they will do another process like take the stainless steel angle. Yes, and this is our pressure scenes machines. After we assembling the door panel, we will use this pressing machine here to make our door panel stronger and become the solid stronger. You can see this is the machine is working.
They are pressing some door panel now. And you can see that it's working. Okay, and the next area is our countertop area. You can see very clearly that our stainless steel countertop is very durable.
Yes, and after processing, our door panel is become very solid, like this pinch hole, and the screw hole is very precise, like the second procession we showed with cutting by the laser cutting machines. And the door panel is one piece of 304 stainless steel plant, so you don't worry, the door panel will be cracking.
And here is our stainless steel countertop. Okay, so be careful. You can see every stainless steel product of us is accurate. And the filler of our door panel that we showed you before is used the aluminum honeycomb. And the carcass of our filler is the PP material. And both of this material is very durable, so the warranty of our carcass is over 30 years. And now is our packing area. You can see that our college is packing the kitchen cabinet now, and you can see that the inner package is the carton and the outer package is the pallet.
Yes, we can provide the assembly package and the flat package.
Yes.
And with our Espro standard package, we have the wooden and the front.
And you can see that the wood material we use is have a best quality, so that can ensure that after the long shipment, but they won't be damaged.
And this is our pre-assembling area. As you can see, before out of the factory, we will make the pre-assembling test to assure every screw and every hinge hole is become the precise.
Yes.
And besides, all of our material is use of SUS 304 stainless steel.
Yes, we use the real 304 stainless steel, but not the 201. So every film of the panel, we use the 304. And now you can see that behind us is our warehouse. You can see that there are many shelves here to storage our accessories like the white balls and the sink and other accessories that we use in our kitchen.
Yes, and this is our door panel display area. As you can see, there's many kinds of the door panel. All the door panel is made of 304 stainless steel. Maybe you will guess this is the wood grain, but I'll tell you, this is the stainless steel door panel with the wood grain finish.
And by the way, we have our stainless steel countertop.
And this countertop is anti-scratching. And you can see this shades. This is the arch shake. It's very smooth and not sharp. And the thickness is about 50 millimeter.
And here is our backplash.